Okay, here is the LXP-15 that I was having problems with. And one of the problems was that it wouldn't stay on preset. And this was due to a bad page control. I did pull it out. Let's see, for reference, we used a, looks like it's a number 11. Socket to pull the nuts off, metric, and basically I came in with my robo grips and I came around here, tightened the case up. This is you have to be very careful when tightening this up. The other thing that I did, and I do have the power off, I took a number 10 metric and I put it on here on the front, and what I did is I came around the back and the front with the robo grips, and you'll notice back here there's a couple little prongs. You want to avoid those, and then you kind of just grip it in here, make sure you got it centered, and then you clamp down on it, and that takes care of the loose control. There's no play in this anymore. The only risk you're going to have is if you clamp down too hard, you may break a solder joint in the back. But we were lucky. Like I said, it was a little risky. I do have a little bit of a bend in the one mounting bracket here, but that shouldn't be a problem. When we go to mount it, should straighten right out. Sure beats buying a new controller. And by the way, if you do need to order it, I do have a part number back here, which is looks like 710-08877, and it's a Rev 1. And this can be pulled off the main board right here carefully. I did use a pair of pliers, being careful not to slip off and break the wires off, but looks like we're back in shape.